Daddy! You got to £1.
No. What? Right, I've got pounds, yeah, we're not having it for those silly things.
Of course it's got £1.
Yeah.
Well done, Charlie. Should have stayed on.
I'm going to do it then.
It's all girly stuff inside.
It's because when it was when I one day when I was here with my friends, well, she showed me how to do it and I did it. Now I can do it.
Go on then, see if you can do it again.
Can I do it again? Try to.
Haven't you got 20p?
Oh, I didn't do it then.
Oh,
Haven't you got 20p?
no.
I didn't do it.
Sam, let me have
Oh, never mind.